Hello viewers, welcome to this video, and today we will talk about concurrent execution versus parallel executions. What is the major difference between these two terms? We are talking about concurrency and parallelism. So just we will start this PPT. Now the question is, what is concurrency? Concurrency means multiple tasks which start, run and complete in overlapping time periods in no specific order. Apart from this, parallelism is when multiple tasks or multiple parts of a unique task literally run at the same time. For example, on a multi-core processor. Remember that concurrency and parallelism are not the same things. So let us understand more in detail that what I mean when I say concurrency versus parallelism. The concurrency means that an application is making progress or more than one task at the same time. It can be observed as a concurrently. Well, if the computer only has one CPU, the application may not make progress on more than one task at exactly the same time, but more than one task is being processed at a time inside the application. It does not completely finish one task before it begins the next. We can say the concurrency means executing multiple tasks at the same time, but not necessarily simultaneously. So let us take an example in real life. There is a challenge that requires you to both eat a whole huge cake and sing a whole song. So you will win if you are the faster who sings the whole song and finishes the cake. So the rule is that you sing and eat simultaneously. How do you that does not belong to the rule? You can eat the whole cake then sing the whole song, or you can eat half a cake then sing half a song, then do the again, etc. So we are considering this kind of example. You can see sing and eat, these are the operations. So concurrency means executing multiple tasks at the same time but not necessarily simultaneously. So there are two tasks executing concurrently, but those are run in a one core CPU. So the CPU will decide to run a task first and then the other task, or run half a task and half another task, etc. Two tasks can start, run and complete in overlapping time periods. That is, task 2 can start even before task 1 gets completed. So it's all depends on the system architecture. Now we are talking about parallelism. Parallelism means that an application splits its task up into smaller subtasks which can be proceed in a parallel, for instance on multiple CPUs at the exact same time. So we can say parallelism means that an application is split into the number of subtasks and divided with the CPU's time at the exactly the same time, similar times. So we are dividing a task into number of subtasks, subtask 1, subtask 2 and subtask 3. So in more detail, like parallelism, each task is broken into subtasks which can be processed in parallel form. Now the parallelism does not require two tasks to exit. It literally physically run parts of task or multiple tasks at the same time using multi-core infrastructure or of CPU by assigning one core to each task or subtask. So parallelism requires hardware with multiple processing units. Essentially, in single core CPU you may get concurrency but not parallelism. So we can say parallelism basically is follow the multiprocessor architecture, we can say. So now let us list down remarkable difference between concurrency and parallelism. Concurrency is when two tasks can start, run and complete in overlapping time periods. Parallelism is when tasks literally run at the same time, for example, on a multi-core processor or multiprocessor system. Concurrency is the composition of independently executing process, while parallelism is the simultaneous execution of we can say possibly related, so simultaneous execution of computations. Concurrency is about dealing with lots of things at once, and parallelism is about doing lots of things at once. An application can be concurrent but not parallel, which means that it processes more than one task at the same time, but no two tasks are executing at same time instant. So these are the actual difference between concurrency and parallelism. So this is my video. If you like my video, you can share it, you can like, and please subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching.